I was sent this portable pressure washer, asking my opinion on it, make this short video. So here's what you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the owner's manual. You're going to get a water line to draw water up into the device, a foaming soap sprayer, 2 batteries, or 21 volts, 3 amp hour batteries. You're going to get 2 of these because it is cordless. 3 different attachments. These are going to be used to draw water up into the device. A little filter here. You can use this on the end of the water line, and then you could drop this into like a 5-gallon bucket, any water source, so you can draw the water in and filter out any impurities. Charger for the batteries. This is just going to plug in. So there's a little plug right there. Then the device itself. It's got a nice pistol grip. You just pull the trigger here to activate it. This is the wand that's going to spray out with different patterns. Very interesting patterns that are built in. All you do is rotate the head here. You can choose whatever spray pattern is the one that you want to use. Very cool how that works. This is just going to attach into here with a quarter turn. Just going to put it in, turn it to the side. It's going to lock in place. It's got O-rings in there. If you wanted to do a soap foaming spray, you would use this end here, put your soapy water into the bottle, and then just click this in place. Let's see, like that. And then it's going to foam coming out of here. So you could soap up your car, for example, if you're going to clean it. Like that. And then to draw water into the device, you've got a couple options here. This piece here, it's like a quick release. It's got some O-rings here as well. You're just going to click it in place like that. And now that will be locked in and it won't come out. And then you've got a couple options here. I can use this water line here to draw water up through. And I would just connect this through here like this and then screw it into the top like that. Or I could use this one here. It's got a garden threaded end on the end there. You could attach a garden hose, or you could even attach like a 2-gallon or probably more likely a 2-liter bottle for like a soda bottle. You could actually thread that into there. It uses the same threads. And then you could have that water bottle here if that's the only source of water that you had. But then you're going to connect your water source up there, put your battery in here. It just clicks right in. And now we're starting to produce some pressurized water. Let's see how this works. I'm going to do some cleaning of some equipment. Let's see how it does. So here's our Bobcat we're going to clean up today. Got the pressure washer connected up with the line going into this 5-gallon bucket of water. So you can see it works really good. Pulls from that 5-gallon bucket, no problem. So I can do this anywhere out in the field. I don't need to be near a water source. And it's got pretty good pressure. The different adjustments are real easy to click through, find the one that's working best for you. And overall, it's super convenient, just a one-handed operation, really lightweight, works real good. So I definitely would recommend if you need a power washer for the field, this could be the one for you.